Hi! In front of me is the Realme Narzo N53 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three lines at the bottom left one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now, after hitting I accept in first things first pop-up, you can adjust all of those options however you want to, or click on presets at the top left corner and tap on the best one for you. Then hit yes in the pop-up and go back. Finally, you need to click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and tap on the best option for you: Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply mine or Home Screen only, so when I click and go back, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!